This video is about basic properties of option prices or option premium. Basic properties of option prices. Option prices can be divided into two parts. The first one is intrinsic value. The second one is time value. So formula for option premium or to calculate option price is option premium equal to intrinsic value plus time value. So what is intrinsic value? Intrinsic value is defined as the value of the option when it is in the money. In the money means the option is make profit, or if you exercise the option contract, investor will get profit. It is derived from the difference between the strike price and the current market price. Strike price is actually the exercise price of option contract. So formula for intrinsic value of call option is equal to market price of share minus exercise price of share, where the intrinsic value for put option, the formula is exercise price of put option minus market price of share. There is one rule that you need to remember when you calculate the intrinsic value of call or put option, where the intrinsic value can't be negative. If you calculate intrinsic value, you get negative answer, then you should change the answer to 0. What is time value? Time value refers to the difference between the option premium and intrinsic value. This means that the positive time value will be profitable for a buyer to exercise his option. So time value is equal to premium minus intrinsic value. Now we look at example on question on calculation of option premium. The question is, an option has time premium or time value of 15 cents. Suppose the strike price is 10 ringgit and 50 cents and the underlying stock is currently selling at 13 ringgit 19 cents. Determine the correct option premium if the option is number 1, put option, number 2, call option. Okay, so in this example, the question asks you to calculate option premium for put option and option premium for call option. So from that question, if you want to calculate the option premium for put option contract, first you must identify what are information given in the question. So you have market price of share given in the question at 13 ringgit 90 cents, exercise price of put option at 10.50, and time value of put option at 0.15. So first, to calculate put option premium, the formula is intrinsic value plus time value. So you don't have information on the intrinsic value of put option. That means you need to calculate the intrinsic value of put option first. So intrinsic value of put option is equal to exercise price of put option minus market price of share. So exercise price of put option is equal to 10.50. The market price of share is 13.90. So you get negative 3.4. So if you still remember, when you calculate intrinsic value of option, you get negative value, you must change it to 0. So for this put option contract, the answer for the intrinsic value of put option is 0, because when you calculate using the formula of intrinsic value for put option, you get negative value. Then you plug in the value of intrinsic value into the formula of put option premium. So intrinsic value of put option is equal to 0 plus time value of the put option is 0.5. So put option premium is 0.15. Next, the question asks you to calculate call option premium. So you have information on the market price of the share, which is at 13 ringgit 90 cents, exercise price of call option at 10 ringgit 50 cents, and time value at 15 cents. So to calculate call option premium, you need to have the intrinsic value of call option. So you don't have that information in the question, so you need to calculate the intrinsic value of call option. The formula of intrinsic value of call option is equal to market price minus exercise price. So market price of share is equal to 13 ringgit 90 cents minus exercise price of call option at 10 ringgit 50 cent. So you get the answer is positive 3.4. So if you get positive answer, you don't need to change it to 0. So the intrinsic value of call option is 3 ringgit 40 cents. So you plug in the value of intrinsic value of call option into the call option premium formula. So intrinsic value equal to 3.4, time value is equal to 0.15. So you sum up these two value, you get 3 ringgit and 55 cents. So that's all for calculation on option premium. Thank you.